Sunrise Hotel. How may I assist you today?
May nakapansin din sa akin. Kanina pa ako nakatayo dito. Wala man lang nag-a-assist. Mukha ba akong pulube?
I sincerely apologize, sir. Marami po kasing customer ngayon, kaya po hindi po kayo napapansin.
So ngayon, may paki na kayo. Mukha lang akong pulube pero magbabayad ako. Deluxe room yung binok ko dito.
Of course, sir. May I have your name, please?
It's Mr. Padilla. I just hope this is worth paying for.
Wait, let me check.
One eternity later.
Your room is now ready, room 58, in the deluxe building. Miss Anna will be happy to assist you. If you have any questions, please let her know.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Anna, and I'm the one who tour you for your respected room.
Okay, thank you po.
Hi, Mr. Padilla, and this is your respected room. And if you question, let me know. Mr. Padilla, and this is your room. Outside, as you can see, is the ref. This ref is This ref is the honesty store. If you want to get some snack, you get, and then when you check out, ibabawas na lang namin.
Okay,
and for
you. Wala po ba siyang mga hidden fees pa po?
No, we don't have hidden fees in this hotel because ayaw namin ng masyadong mahal. At yung mga pwedeng gamitin nyo, luto.
Oo, kumpleto na pala sila sa gamit. So, kumpleto na sila sa gamit na yun.
Yes po. Lahat po dito ay pwedeng nyong gamitin. Pero kapag may kinuha kayo sa ref namin is madedetect agad siya kasi nadedetect namin kung ano yung mga laman ng ref namin. Aircon, and if hindi pa kayo sapat sa lamig ng aircon namin, we have the fan.
Oh, ang cute ha. May mini fan pa kayo ha.
And this is the view, sir.
So, hindi naman ako mahilig sa view eh. Okay na po yan, ma'am.
Ang itanong, just dial or call me.
Okay. Thank you po sa pag-assist sa akin, ma'am. Maraming salamat po.